Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Isn't this a cute little kitty? Kittens have such big heads compared to the rest of their bodies. And the width of the head is wider than the width of the body that's shown beside the head. So all those proportions that are different on kittens, those go a long way toward making it look like you're drawing a kitten rather than a cat. I'm going at 2.5 times the speed here and voicing over, and I'm just quickly getting kitty shapes in and correcting as I go. Always correcting as I go. And I love those extra lines that end up there because they just end up being background tone and wiggle lines, and they add life and movement. I'm actually going 4 times the speed now. Some lines to put the eyes in there. Just wanted to get that angle of the front rear foot, the rear foot that's closer to us, kind of curving up a bit because it helps pump a little more life into this drawing. Get those eyes in carefully. And that's another thing with kitten eyes too. They're farther apart and they're smaller. And I guess what happens is they grow bigger and get closer together. Not a whole lot, but there are those subtle differences. And I just love this open mouth. Looks like Kitty's smiling. Get some suggestions of toe lines. Just want to keep this drawing simple. Less is more. Kitten tails are shorter too, and almost like they're fat at one end and skinny at the other. Strengthen up some of these lines and make things pop a little. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or whatever. It's great to connect. You can see some tiny little kitty teeth in there too, but I didn't add them in because they're so tiny. I feel like it's a detail that is best left out of this drawing. We'll just imagine they're there. Got to really think about what's important. And just refine things up here. Just suggestions of fur here and there, not much on this one. We know it's a kitten. We know kittens have fur. Thank you so much for watching. There's lots more videos to come. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing in the comments. And we'll see you next time.